made muscle cars, so you just got to hear the awesome accurate exhaust system on the Coronet. It is pretty much finished, so I'm going to hand it over to Sean and see what he has to say.
Hey guys, thanks for joining. I'm really happy with the way it turned out. The sound of the exhaust system is awesome. We got the accurate exhaust Hemi replacement system. It's for 66, 67 B body. It's a factory H pipe, factory hangers, factory everything. I was worried it wasn't going to be loud enough or stout enough, and it's just right. It's not too quiet, it's not too loud. I'm really happy with that exhaust system. We've gotten stuff from Accurate Exhaust before for a 68 Charger and a 70 Charger, and we'll continue to do that. It went up very easy. The way we did the system, and I mean, I'm self-taught, so I don't know, but always started from the front, coming off the factory Hemi exhaust manifolds, and started off the front and then went to the back. And I keep everything sort of loose but snug, and then I can move everything around. So I got the tips nice and even, and everything else just kind of flows. And then once everything is right, we tighten it up. Sometimes take it for a ride, launch it a couple of times, then retighten everything, and go from there. And that's about it. So the car is pretty much done. The exterior, for the most part, I have a few more interior little things to complete, and that's it. But we're still driving it. We're still enjoying it, and it'll get done when it gets done. Hope you guys enjoyed. Please like, subscribe, thumbs up, all that stuff, comment. And look forward to talking to you guys.